If you got some problems, we'll be there to solve them. We're a squad who can do the job. We're a squad who can do the job. If a monster is in trouble, we'll be there on the double. We're the squad who can do the job. We're the squad who can do the job. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Horrific, totally terrific, horribly horrific Monster Math Squad.
Woofy goes walkies. Go! Please try and hold still so I can measure you.
That tickles, Max. It makes me laugh.
That's because monster math measuring is so much fun.
Sorry, Lily. The Scream Screen always surprises me. I like surprises.
The Scream Screen! Somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care, the Monster Math Squad will be there! It's Mr. Cranky Pants Monster. Hi!
Phooey, I'm very cranky today.
Mr. Cranky Pants Monster is always very cranky.
How can we help?
I'm going to my nephew's party.
A party? Oh, I love parties.
I don't. They make me cranky.
And you want the Monster Math Squad to cheer you up?
No, I like being cranky. I need you to walk my pet monster Woofy while I'm gone.
We can do that.
You might be surprised, Goo. Woofy is very, very, very hard to walk.
Nothing's too hard for the Monster Math Squad.
We'll see.
We need to walk an unwalkable pet monster. I'm sure we can use some monster math to do that.
Yeah, because monster math is everywhere.
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad. Join the squad.
You will? Great! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is shape.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Shape.
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, okay, Lily.
Come on, Monster Math Squad. Let's go walk Woofy.
Hi, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster.
It's about time you monsters got here. I'm gonna be late for the party.
Whoa! Look at all the doors! Which one is Woofy's?
Wait, don't leave yet. Where's Woofy?
Woofy's behind the round door with the square-shaped knob.
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, shape. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Shape!
Look! A monster math monitor!
3 little monsters, Harry. Round, triangle, and squarey. 3 little shapes who look like apes. Round, triangle, and squarey.
Round, triangle, and square are all math words! We must need to know them to help us walk Woofy.
Mr. Cranky Pants Monster said that to find Woofy, we have to find a round door with a square-shaped knob. Okay, Monster Math Squad! Let's do Monster Math!
We need to find a door that's round, like this shape, with a knob that's square, like this.
That one. It's round. Aw, cute.
Silly monsters. That door is round, but so is the knob. Remember, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster said that Woofy is behind a round door with a square knob.
Do you see it?
Yes! That door is round And it has a square knob.
We found Woofy! Good job, squad! We did the math! We did the monster math!
I'll walk, Woofy. Help! I'm stuck!
Here, hey, Mr. Cranky Pants Monster did say Woofy is very, very, very hard to walk. Now we know why.
He's sticky.
Look! A chew toy. Maybe Woofy likes to play fetch. That'll get him going.
That's not a chew toy. It's another pet monster.
Follow those monsters!
Whoa!
Where's Woofy?
Excuse me, I could point to where Woofy went, but you'll need to put me back together again so I have something to point with.
This must be Falls Apart Monster. Or at least his mouth. He falls apart all the time, poor guy. Let's put him back together. Does this piece go here or there?
Could you maybe try again?
If we knew what Falls Apart Monster is supposed to look like, I bet we could put him back together again. Look, a monster math monitor. It's a picture of Falls Apart Monster.
Falls Apart Monster is made up of different shapes. There are round shapes, and a square shape, and a triangle shape.
Come on, squad. Let's match the pieces and put Falls Apart Monster back together again.
Let's do monster math!
Let's start with his body. Do you remember what shape it is? It's square. Now, let's find the square piece. Do you see the square?
There!
Now let's find his eyes. What shape are they?
Yes, they're round. Let's look for two round pieces. There! Way to use your eyes, squad.
Now let's find his horn. What shape is it?
A pointy thing?
Do you remember the name of that shape? Triangle, yes. Where is the triangle piece?
Oh, I see it.
He's almost back together again.
Oh, I'll put on his other parts.
Something still seems to be missing. What is it? Oh, right! His nose.
That's a funny-looking nose.
It is an unusual shape.
Did you just see word monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math word, shape, together again. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, shape!
A monster math monitor!
4 little monsters, Harry. Round, triangle, star, and squarey. 4 little shapes who look like apes. Round, triangle, star, and squarey.
Now we know the nose is in the shape of a star.
We need to find a piece that's shaped like a star. Let's look for it. You see it? Where? Oh, there! Here you go, Falls Apart Monster. 1 star nose coming up.
Oh, thank you.
We put Falls Apart Monster back together again. Way to go, Monster Math Squad! We did the math! We did the monster math!
Now can you tell us where Woofy went?
Woofy was heading for the park. That way.
Thanks, Falls Apart Monster. Come on, squad! Let's get that pet!
Bye-bye. Oopsie.
What's wrong, little monster?
We were having a party when a big sticky monster came racing by and everything stuck to it.
That sounds like Woofy! Oh, where is he?
We don't know.
Party, balloons, phooey! Hey, aren't you monsters supposed to be whacking Woofy?
We have something to tell you about Woofy.
What is it? I'm already late for the party.
Woofy! We just wanted to tell you that Woofy had a great walk.
That's not Woofy. That's Sticky. Never take him for a walk. He sticks to everything.
But if that's Sticky, where's Woofy?
That's Woofy. Oops, I burst the balloon. That was fun. Maybe I like parties after all.
Well, at least Woofy got his walk.
But now the poor little party monsters have no balloons to play with.
Look, I'm a balloon.
But you're a triangle, Goo!
Balloons are round, like a circle.
Oh, right. Yay!
Well done, Monster Math Squad. We walked Woofy and saved the party.
And we did it by knowing all about round, triangle, star, and square shapes.
That deserves a great big monster howl. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Howl!
We
did the math!
We did the monster math!
Number Muncher Monster.
Look, Lily, I made Goo into the number 1.
I'm number 1. I'm number 1. Woohoo! Whoa. I'm number 2.
The scream screen always surprises Goo.
The Scream Screen! Somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there!
It's Miss Merkley. She bakes monster muffins in her muffin shop.
monster muffins are slimy and grimy and my favorite snack.
Monster muffins are my favorite slimy, grimy snack, too!
Well, it so happens I'm about to bake a fresh batch of my monster muffins.
Yum!
But there's a problem.
What?
Numbers are missing from my scale, and I can't weigh my muffin ingredients properly.
We can help. Math is all about numbers.
Yeah! Because monster math is everywhere!
Thanks, Monster Math Squad. See you soon.
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad! Join the squad!
You will? Monster Matherific! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster!
Today's secret monster math word is count.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen.
Count!
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh, I knew that.
Come on, squad. Let's find Miss Merkley's missing numbers.
Hi, Monster Math Squad.
Monster Muffin!
I only have one monster muffin left. I really need to bake some more. But I can't if my scale is missing numbers.
There do seem to be some numbers missing.
But I can't figure out which ones. I really need your help to count them.
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, count. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, count!
Look, it worked. A monster math monitor.
Monster 1, doing math. Monster 2, in a bath. Monster 3 with purple toes. Monster 4 with a polka dot nose. Monster 5, making a face. Monster 6, tying her shoelace. Monster 7, holding a cat. Monster 8, wearing a hat. Monster 9, in a dress. Monster 10, making a mess. 10 monsters.
Cool. Now that we know how the numbers go from 1 to 10, we can find out which of those numbers are missing from Miss Merkley's scale.
Let's do monster math!
What's the first number? 1!
The number 1 is still on the scale. It's not missing. What number's next? 1, 2. Right. Is that number on the scale?
I see it! This is fun! Oh, what's after 2?
1, 2. Huh. What comes next? Yes! 3!
Number 3 is missing!
We need the number 3. I'll make the missing numbers out of icing, just until we find the real ones.
Good thinking, Miss Merkley.
The next number is also missing from the scale. Help us count the numbers we have so far.
1, 2, 3.
What's next? 4. Yay!
There's a number 5, and 6, and 7 on the scale, but the next number is missing.
Which number is next? 8! We're doing great!
The scale has number 9 and 10.
Do we have all the numbers from 1 to 10 now? Let's count them together.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! We found all the missing numbers on Miss Merkley's scale. Way to go, squad. We did the math. We did the monster math. Arr!
Well, we didn't exactly find the numbers. We only found out what numbers are missing.
We still need to get the real numbers back on so the scale will work properly.
In the meantime, you can have my last muffin.
Yay!
No time for snacks, squad. We need to find those missing numbers. Did you see anything unusual in your shop, Miss Merkley?
Well, there was a suspicious-looking monster lurking around here earlier. He was kind of big and blue, and, oh yes, he had a large mouth with 3 huge teeth.
Big, blue, 3 huge teeth. Let's see if this monster math monitor can help us out. Just as I suspected, it's Number Muncher Monster.
Who's that? Is he scary?
No, but Number Muncher Monster does love to eat numbers.
Come on, squad. We need to find Number Muncher Monster and get Miss Merkley's numbers back before he eats them.
I don't see Number Muncher Monster anywhere.
Hey, it's Smooth Moves Monster. He knows all the moves.
Maybe he knows where we need to move to find Number Muncher Monster.
Where do monsters need to move? Listen to Smooth, get in the groove. Boogie Oogie Oogie to Monstrovia Town Square. The numbers you're looking for will all be there. Listen for 10 sounds all in a row. Then spin around, look up, and you'll find them, yo.
How will we know when we hear 10 sounds all in a row?
Well, I suppose when you hear the sounds, you could count them.
Did you see Word Monster? Monster matherific! Let's shout the secret monster math word, count, together again. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, count!
A monster math monitor.
Monster 1 doing math. Monster 2 in a bath. Monster 3 with purple toes. Monster 4 with a polka dot nose. Monster 5 making a face. Monster 6 tying her shoelace. Monster 7 holding a cat. Monster 8 wearing a hat. Monster 9 in a dress. Monster 10 making a mess. 10 monsters.
Thanks, Monster Math Monitor. Reminding us how the numbers go from 1 to 10 will really help us count 10 sounds in a row, like Smooth Move said to.
Let's boogie oogie oogie to Monstrovia Town Square.
Smooth Move's monster said we needed to listen for 10 sounds all in a row.
What makes sounds?
Do you see that? It's a squawk monster. Squawk monsters love to make loud squawks.
We need to get ready to count out the number of squawks it makes. Get ready to count with us.
That's one squawk. Let's keep counting out the number of monster squawks we hear.
2,
3, 4, 5.
He's flown away after 5 squawks.
Is that enough sounds?
What do you think? You're right, it's not. We're listening for 10 sounds all in a row.
Is there anything else that might make a sound?
The clock makes sounds when it chimes the hour.
And it looks like it's almost 10 o'clock. Time to chime.
Okay, Monster Math Squad, get ready to count out the number of clock chimes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
Way to go, squad!
Smooth Moves Monster said that when we hear 10 sounds in a row, we have to spin around and look up. Let's all spin around and look up.
Look, it's Number Muncher Monster. And in his bucket, he's got Miss Merkley's numbers.
I bet he's going to grab more numbers from the clock to munch.
But then we'll never know what time it is in Monstrovia.
Hey, Number Muncher Monster, can you please not eat the numbers?
Number Muncher Monster loves munchy crunchy numbers.
I know exactly how you feel. I love slimy, grimy monster muffins.
What are slimy, grimy monster muffins?
This is a slimy, grimy monster muffin.
That does look slimy and grimy.
Would you like to try it?
Number Muncher Monster will try an eensy-weensy bite. Yummy! Number Muncher Monster loves slimy, grimy monster muffins.
No! Oh! Aw, no monster muffin.
Wait, there's a crumb left. Oh, yay!
Silly monsters.
Aw.
We found all the missing numbers from Miss Merkley's scale by knowing how to count from 1 to 10. Now she can bake lots of monster muffins. That deserves a big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3, howl!
We did the math!
We did the monster math!